Aloha, this is Dr. West, and I have the B3 band demo for you just to demonstrate the way to get air in and let the air out of the band. That's all I'm going to demonstrate for you on this short clip. And as you see, with this particular pump, you're going to see exactly how much air you're putting in by where the needle is here, whether air is getting in or not, pressure, that's going to show you. And here we have a little button that I already have depressed, so it opens up the inside, and if I click that one, you'll see the inside of that hole, it just closed. There's a little clip in there that locks this onto this piece. That little clip grabs right up here as it attaches. And then when I push this down all the way, you're gonna see it open up. I pushed it till it clicked and it's holding it open. You see the inside of that hole just got bigger. And so as it's being held open, I can slide it right onto the band and it clicks in place and that locks it so I can pump it up. Now I'm gonna push this all the way down till it clicks. Now I can slide it off and it's ready to slide right back on again. It's already locked open. So real quick demo on how to put the band on. My favorite way is just holding it like this. Some people like to put this through before they stick their arm in it. You do want the valve facing in and the strap goes around the outside, whether it's your leg or your arm, it's the same that way. And that makes it easy to slide that on till you hear it click. And I like to pump my arms up to 300. So within just a few times, I'm already there, basically, a little over 300. And we don't have to do a bunch of little ones. If you just squeeze it all the way down, relax, let the air come back into this little chamber, squeeze it all the way again, it works really well. So I'm all pumped up, ready to go. I've already done my band workout today, so I'm not here to show you the workout. But now, this is a little air release valve, and if this is open, you can't get air in the band. It just keeps letting it right out here. So that needs to be tight also. That could be a problem for some people. But I just let the air out that way, and usually what I do, there's a little valve right here. I wanna make sure I don't cover it up all the way when I push it, because that lets the air out too. That's how I do it all the time. When I'm done with my workout, as soon as I get to the strong burn, especially with the legs or the wall sit, I release the pressure and it makes it instantly feel better. Then I take the band off. Otherwise, if the air pressure's still in it, it'll all be bloated, right? Well, this way I can just put it here, a little push, and it's done. I just pushed all the air out, just like that. Okay. All right, that's it.